back in the 50s. It was called 5'2" Eyes of Blue. I hope I can do this because I haven't been practicing. You know, this ukulele traveled 4,000 miles the other day, and it's still in tune. I don't know if I am.
Oh, again, Ronnie, it's what you bring. It's what you bring.
I'll do an introduction and I'll go into the final.
All right.
Like what it's going to say, definition of
Only one. I told you I would have been 20. Let's keep on going.
Yes, go. Keep going. Super duper.